Let me tell you a story, not just of a dance, but how the divine decided to speak to mankind through moments, emotions, and eternal grace. This is the sacred story how the Natyam was created by gods to restore Dharma on earth. People of Treta Yuga is leading a life of mystery and joy, which is relating to elemental passions of greed and lust, etc. This disappointed the gods, that is Lokapalakas, and then they approached to the Lord Brahma, the creator, to create another Veda, which is its fifth Veda. Another Veda which would be simple and can be learned by common man. And the Lord Brahma, considering this request, created a Panchama Veda as the fifth Veda, which is named as Natya Veda. As essence of the four Vedas, it is believed that he has taken Patya, which means words from Rig Veda, Abhinayam, which means gesture from Yajur Veda, and Gana, which means chants and music from Sama Veda. And the last one, Rasa, which means sentiment and emotional elements from Atharva Veda to form the fifth Veda named as Natya Veda. And the Lord Brahma then gave this Natya Veda to the sage Bharata Muni, and the Bharata Muni was converted this Natya Veda into Natya Shastra. Next, the Lord Brahma then gave this Natya Veda to Bharata Muni, and the Bharata Muni then converted this Natya Veda into Natya Shastra and gave it to his 100 disciples. As the Bharata Muni wrote Natya Shastram, which is the science of dramaturgy, a great comprehensive work on science and technique of Indian drama, dance and music. Let's come into the main part of the story. Bharata Muni produced his first play, which was written by the Lord Brahma himself, named as Asura Parajayam, and performed it during the Indradwaja festival. Later, they went to the Kailasa and performed Tripura Dahanam and Amrita Madhunam in front of the Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati. Inspired by the dance, the Lord Shiva created his own form of dance called Nritta. It is also called as Tandava, which is the energetic form of dance. And also, Goddess Parvati created her own form of dance called Lasya, which is the graceful form of dance. After that, Goddess Parvati taught this dance form to the Usha, daughter of Banasur. Mata Parvati taught this dance form to the Usha, daughter of Banasur, a demon. Usha taught the same to the Gopikas of the city of Dwarka, which is the Lord Krishna's birthplace. So, thus the divine form of Bharatanatyam introduced to the mankind. Thank you.